In this video, I'll show you how to auto-assign issues in Jira. First, open Jira and log in to your Atlassian account. Make sure you have permission to manage automation rules in the project. If you do not see the automation settings, you may need Project Admin or Jira Admin access. Next, open the project where you want issues to be assigned automatically. Go to Project Settings, then click Automation. In some Jira layouts, this may appear as Project Automation or Rules. Now click Create Rule. Jira Automation works by using a trigger, optional conditions, and an action. Start by choosing the trigger. For auto assignment, a common trigger is issue created. This means the rule will run every time a new ticket is created in the project. Next, add a condition if needed. For example, you can assign bugs to one person, tasks to another person, or high priority issues to a team lead. To do this, add an issue fields condition, then choose a field like issue type, priority, component, label, or request type. Now add the action. Choose assign issue. Jira will let you assign the issue to a specific user, the project lead, the component lead, or another available option, depending on your project settings. For example, if the issue type is bug, you can assign it to your QA lead. If the component is front-end, you can assign it to the front-end developer. If the priority is high, you can assign it to the project manager. After setting the action, review the full rule carefully. Make sure the trigger, conditions, and assignee match your workflow. Now give the rule a clear name, such as auto-assign new bugs or assign issues by component. Then click Turn it on. To test it, create a new issue that matches the rule conditions. Open the ticket and check whether Jira assigned it automatically. That's it. You have set up auto-assignment in Jira, helping your team route new work faster and reduce manual effort. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.